Are you tired of managing multiple platforms, doing everything manually, and on top of everything else, waiting for clients' approval to schedule your post? Hi, this is Amna, and let me show you a better and easier way to manage your social media accounts using Content Studio. Heading over to Content Studio's login page, here you just have to enter your email address, create a strong password, and add a workspace name. Your workspace name can be anything that you like or your brand name, it's up to you. You need to verify your email. It will send a code to your email and you just import that. After you have verified, you are officially registered to Content Studio. For your onboarding process, you are required to put in your full name. Your phone number is optional. If you want to, you can. Next up, you have to choose what describes your business best. So whatever is most suitable to you, you just click on that and next. You can connect your social accounts right now, or you can do that later in the settings. And that's it. You have now made your account. Okay, let me show you the basic settings of Content Studio so you can navigate better. So all of your settings, your workspace and account settings are right here on your profile. So let's head on over to social accounts. Now, there are two ways that you can connect your social accounts. The primary way is the traditional way as well. You need to be logged in to that social media account that you are connecting to Content Studio, or you are an admin of that page. So let's connect Facebook account. It will just redirect you to your Facebook account and ask you for permission. So let's click on continue. It will then ask you which of the pages that you're an admin of that you want to connect to Content Studio. So that it's just gonna take a few seconds. Okay, you can choose whatever you want and then click on save. Okay, your account has been added. So another way to connect your social media accounts, or primarily your client's social media account, without asking for credentials, is EasyConnect. You can watch the entire video of EasyConnect. I'll link it with this video. Next up, you have made a workspace for a specific purpose, your specific brand. So you need to be able to work with your team. So Content Studio is a team platform, so you can work together. Now, even though it is a team, you are the super admin, so you have permissions that you can take or give to your team members. So let's add a team member right here. Now you just have to add their email address. There are roles, different roles that you can assign your team members. For administrator, they have all the privileges and all the access, but you can enable their access to billing and plans if you want, or keep it disabled. For collaborator, they can create, edit, analyze the post and engage with your comments and DMs, but you can give or take their permissions. For example, for specific accounts that you want to give permissions or not, and other permissions that you can customize. Other than that, it's your approver. Approver is basically, they only have access to the calendar or the planner, and they can only accept, reject the post, and they can edit. You can give them permission to edit posts, but they are basically just for approving. Now, if you want to keep your team separate from your external team, for example, clients, stakeholders, you can differentiate it from right here. So your clients are external. Anyone external cannot see your internal or private posts or comments or notes. So that is that. And if you do want to change the permission of someone later on, you can do that from right here. Let me show you that as well. So if I save this as an administrator, I can just easily edit their permissions. So if I want to make them a collaborator and not give them access to these things, I can just update that right here. Last but not least is the notification. So Content Studio will send you notification based on different circumstances. For example, someone added you to Workspace or some kind of task, discussions, something, but you can change the frequency of these emails. So it can be once in an hour, immediately, and you can check the boxes that you want. Now, these notifications are given through dashboard, your email, or your browser. So you can customize that as well. And that is all. For other features of Content Studio that if you want to learn, I'll link them with this video and be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. Great. Now you got the hang of the basic settings of Content Studio. If you want to explore Content Studio features more, feel free to try it out with our free trial for 14 days. Thanks for watching.